Here are amazing phone functions you had no idea existed. If you are aware of these phone functions, then your phone usage will be a lot easier for you. Most of them requires the use of just numbers with asterisks or hash. I'll be revealing some of these in this video. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. The first amazing phone function I'll be sharing in this video that you never knew existed is #31#. With this, you can hide your phone number in all outgoing calls. #31#. This is to hide your phone number in all outgoing calls, whether you have an iPhone or Android. This will work perfectly. #31#. This is to hide your caller ID when making a call. In other words, when you press #31# on your phone to call anyone, your phone number won't be showing on the person's mobile phone. #31#. It works on Android and iPhone. The next one is *43#. *43#. This is a very important function that will make your life easier if you use an iPhone. *43# is available only on iPhone. The next one for iPhone is *5005 *7672#. With this, you can find the number of a service center for a current provider when you are in need. If you need the correct number of any service center on your iPhone, input this. The next code works for both iPhone and Android. With this code, you'll be able to see your IMEI, your International Mobile Equipment Identity Number. This is a unique code for your phone. If you lose your phone or someone steals it, you can easily block your device from your service provider if it is necessary. Okay? You have to know this code. It is unique to your phone. Find out what your unique number is. You never know when you will be needing this. Your IMEI, your International Mobile Equipment Identity Number, *#06#. This is available for both iPhone and Android. The next code is *#7780#*#*. With this, you will remove Google account settings as well as application data and settings. You have to be very careful if you are using this because it is irreversible. Don't use it if you don't have a good reason to do so. *#7780#*#*. The next phone function is available only on Android. It is *277*3855#. With this, you can remove your phone files and settings. You can reset all phone settings at once. You can also reinstall your phone's firmware. You have to think twice before you use this. This is irreversible. Again, if you don't have any good reason for using this, don't use it. The next phone function is available only on Android phones. *#*7594#*#*. This is for Android. With this, your phone will turn off instantly without showing those small menus like restart, power off, and the rest of them. With this, your phone will automatically turn off. The next phone function is *33*#. With this, you won't be bothered with outgoing calls. This is available only on iPhones. You can turn this off anytime by pressing #33*, your PIN and hash. With this, you won't be bothered about outgoing calls. The next one is available only on iPhones. *30#. This is available only on iPhones. With this, you can turn your number identification on or off. If you want to hide your identity and go incognito, this is what you should do. It works the other way around by pressing *30#. You can find out the number of any person who is calling you with hidden ID. If the person who is calling you didn't turn it off beforehand. The next phone function is *#*8351#*#*. With this, you can listen to recordings of your own voice during the last 20 phone calls. If you want to hear your own voice during the last 20 calls you made on your phone, this is what you should do. It can be fun. This will help you to refresh your memory. *#*8351#*#*. With this, you can listen to recordings of your own voice during the last 20 phone calls. Depending on your phone, for Android, with this, you can see your Wi-Fi signal as well as your battery and CPU usage statistics with other information. If your phone is Motorola, you can see your secret menu. Each of these has variety of options. *#*4636#***. With this, depending on your phone, you can see your Wi-Fi signal as well as your battery and CPU usage statistics with other information. This phone function *#21# is available only on iPhone. With this, you can turn on the call forwarding option so that all your incoming calls will be pushed right to voicemail. When you are ready to receive calls, you can also turn this off. *#21#. This phone function also works on your iPhone. *3370#. This will help you to turn on an EFR coding. It will help to improve the quality of your communication, but unfortunately, it will reduce the battery life. After activated, your phone battery dies sooner than usual. You can also deactivate this. You have an iPhone and wish to make life way easier for you? Dial *43#. This is an important function. When you do that, let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. These are the amazing phone functions you had no idea existed. Do you know any other ones? Which of them do you consider most useful? Would you be using any of them? Can you even remember the codes? Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.